back to Mimon's house. I'm just here for just a short video so that I can show you how I make my ginger shots. My husband and I drink a ginger shot daily. It helps with our digestion and with our immune system. It boosts our immune system, and it just helps us feel better overall, gives us a little boost of energy. If you're interested in how we make it, keep watching. And if you find that this video is beneficial to you, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. See you in a minute. The ingredients that I use to make our ginger shot. Of course, I use an orange juicer or a citrus juicer. I have a bowl for my scraps. I have celery, lemon, ginger, apples, and oranges. And I juice all of my stuff in my juicer. And then I cut it up before I put it in the juicer so that it won't be so hard to push through. So let's get chopping and churning. Let's talk a little bit about these lemons and oranges we're putting in this juice. Of course, lemons and oranges are citrus fruits, and citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. They're high in phytonutrients, and those phytonutrients are types of antioxidants. Antioxidants give the fruit their bright colors and their strong scents. These antioxidants also help us in protecting against cancer. They also help in lowering our risk, these vitamin C fruits, lower our risks of kidney stones. There was a study that people with low amounts of citrate in their urine were more likely to develop kidney stones. Citrus fruits can increase those citrate levels, which helps you reduce your risk. They're also good to help improve heart health and to boost your skin health. Vitamin C helps produce collagen in the body, helps get those bones and joints and muscles built and strong. It also helps protect and improve your skin health, which helps reduce the look of aging and the skin aging. Let's talk a little bit now about celery. Celery has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a great food for people who suffer from high blood pressure and excessive high levels of cholesterol in the bloodstream. The fiber in celery helps us to get rid of some of that cholesterol, as well as the fiber in apples and other fruits that we eat the peelings and the skin of. We all know that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, most of us normally don't eat an apple a day, but we do know that apples are good for us, and apples have plenty of vitamins in it. Vitamin K, potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. Fiber is that part of the apple that is what makes it so good for us, because it helps us to get rid of all of the stuff in our guts, and it helps us with our gut health. So an apple a day will keep that doctor away. Of course, ginger is just as good. Ginger can help with osteoarthritis. It can also help with weight loss because it does help many forms of nausea and just stomach upset. Now I'm going to strain the juice to get rid of some of the pulp that is extracted from the juicer. Now that all the juices have been put together, I'm going to add my seasoned blend of turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon. Turmeric belongs to the ginger family, and the benefits include joint pain relief, reduced swelling, and improves memory in addition to many other things. Black pepper helps our bodies absorb the turmeric and also has anti-inflammatory properties, or it helps reduce and fight swelling. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory, as well as it helps reduce blood sugar levels. So now it's time to get ready to pour our juice into our cups. I use the 2-ounce cups because we like just a shot of it. So I'll fill up each cup and cover them up and have them ready. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my ginger shot prep. Doesn't take long, just chopping some fruits and a little bit of vegetable. And we are ready and set for 11 days. That's how much that I think it's 4 cups of juice makes. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to do something well for yourself. In the meanwhile, be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna take my ginger shot. Peapod's downstairs somewhere, but here it is. It's nice and spicy. Do something good for yourself. It'll help your immune system. Talk to you later. Be blessed. Bye.